Okay, welcome to the edit guide, and we're going to show you just really quickly on how to use comparison view and matching a clip really quickly. So we've got some old clips from 20 odd years ago, 2001 I believe, and we have a couple clips here. One is under fluorescent light, one is near sunset, so we want to warm up this shot here to match this second shot here. So what we do here is go into comparison view, and it's right on the bottom of your program clip window. If you don't see it, click the plus button here and you can find comparison view up there and drag it in. But we go comparison view, and now we see two clips. So on the left it will show the clip that you want to compare. So if we open up the Mitri color on the right, if we go apply match, that's going to apply the match from the left to the right. So what we want to do is drag our cursor over here, and then we want to drag our left in the window here forward, and then we do apply match. It's going to apply this warm tone to the second clip. So what we do is apply match, and that warms it up a bit. So now it's a little bit more close to being similar tone. And albeit the color correction is a little bit off in here, but we're just doing this for a quick example. So now you see, we'll turn off comparison view. Now they're roughly the same. And that's it for now.